we are just gonna be cleaning. I told you guys my family's coming on Saturday night and Sunday, and then our cleaning lady is coming on Thursday, so I need to get things situated. Zena's still asleep. She's right there. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I look rough, but that's because I need to make myself a coffee. Okay, so let's make an iced latte. I've been obsessed with this creamer that Wendy put me on. So I'm gonna be making a cookie butter creme brulee iced latte. Not too much on the cookie butter though. Just like a little hint of cookie butter. I posted this recipe on my TikTok already, but I'll be using the Biscoff crunchy cookie butter. I like the little crunchies in there, but when I'm like sipping it, I get a little cookie bites. I'm also gonna be using, you can use an espresso. As you guys can see, I do have an espresso in the back, but lately I've been obsessed with the Nescafe Gold Espresso. Rex is not a big coffee person, so I am gonna make him a matcha. I'm gonna actually make a double matcha for him. I'm gonna attempt to, at least. I'm gonna be taking my little espresso spoon and I'm just gonna be spreading this all over the cup. Again, I don't want the cookie butter flavor to be like too overpowering. I mostly want it to just give it a little something, something, you know what I mean? And trust me, guys, I'm not a big what is it called? Coffee Mate creamer girl, because I feel like a lot of their coffee creamer, they're just not my favorite flavors. But this creme brulee one, I've been obsessed with. And also, I put Wendy on the chocolate chip, the brown butter chocolate chip cookie one. That one's bomb. But both of us have been obsessed with the creme brulee and the brown butter. I'm going to be taking oh my god, I should have just used a freaking tablespoon. I'm dumb. Here, Kiki, you want to lift this? Yes. I'm going to be taking a tablespoon of this coffee. Like, literally like that much. So whatever milk you want to use, I'm going to use, I just want to make sure it's not expired. I'm going to be using this one, just like a regular schmegular milk. And then a hand frother. I mean, you could just mix it with your spoon really, but it blends in better with a frother. Yeah, and quicker. All right, I don't have the nugget ice maker, but the crushed ice will do. So I'm gonna top it off with a little bit more milk. And then the star of the show, the creme brulee creamer. It's so good. I can't put too much of this though because it's already really sweet for me personally. And I don't like my coffee to be too sweet. Oh yeah. Perfect. Now it is perfect. And I get the little cookie butter crunchies. It is a 10 out of 10, baby. All right, guys. Now I'm going to be making Rax's matcha. I just got a new little matcha kit. The whisk is plastic and so is this. Usually the one that I use is the bamboo one, but we'll try the plastic one and see what happens. Also, I don't be using this scooper thing. I usually just use my teaspoon measuring spoon thing. And this is the matcha that I use. But Daddy's special request is a double matcha. Let's see. Oh my god, I need to make the foam too. Okay, hold on. Let me make the matcha first. You guys, matcha is so expensive. Can you believe that this tin, this little tiny ass tin is $38? I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, by the way, my matcha set that I got was from Target and it was like cheap, huh, baby? Like $10 or less. And the ones that are on Amazon, they're like 30 bucks or more. So that's why I got it. So we're gonna sift it first to make sure that everything is smooth. because we don't want like a chalky matcha. And then you want to get a hot water. I usually eyeball it. People like usually put it on, what is it called? On a scale. And then I just go ahead and, ooh, it feels different with the plastic. I go ahead and whisk it in a W motion. You don't want to go in a circular motion. And the purpose of this is to froth it up and make sure that you get the little bubbles, not the big bubbles. You want them to be teeny tiny little bubbles. Okay, you see how I'm doing it like zigzag motion? They're still like bigger bubbles, but mostly they're like teeny tiny micro bubbles. That's what we want. Okay, once we're done with that, so people use agave, whatever, maple syrup, whatever you want to use. But me personally, I love a brown sugar matcha. So bomb. And you can make your own brown sugar syrup if you would like. I heard it's really easy. But me, Mommy, I like things that are simple. Mommy. So I got the Starbucks brown sugar. Yes, Mama. Hold on. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I got the Starbucks brown sugar syrup. I will say though, this is expensive, especially if you buy it off of Amazon like I did. But I feel like it's so worth it, you guys. You get a whole 1 liter bottle and it lasted me like forever now. Again, I eyeball everything. So however sweet you like your stuff to be, just keep adding, or, you know, I would say just start with less. Got a cup full of ice, and then I like to put a little bit more brown sugar in here. That's just my personal way of doing things. You can obviously just pour more brown sugar into the mixture, but I don't know, I just do it that way. Anyways, oops. Okay, this is key, you guys. Oat milk. I personally like it with oat milk. Rax likes it with oat milk, but you have to get the Oatly Barista Edition because the regular one is not as creamy. It was not as good. It wasn't hitting. Yeah, I know you like it creamy. The matcha right on top. You see how green and beautiful this matcha looks? Any lighter than this, you're getting played because you're probably getting a lower grade matcha. Some heavy cream. I'll do a little bit of half and half. Vanilla extract. So I just drop. Ooh! This Rax is definitely gonna get a little anxiety with this double matcha. Not enough matcha. No. Yeah, we need. Ooh. Okay, I just added a little bit of brown sugar syrup in here because it's not sweet. I thought the vanilla extract was gonna make it sweet, but I guess not. Look at that cold foam, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is about to be good. I hope so, at least. Let's add it into the drink. Oh, baby. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Sift a little bit of matcha on top. Ooh, look at that. Tell me that don't look profesh. Tell me that don't look profesh. Let's fucking go. Okay. I hope he likes it. Come on. Let's go, double matcha. Yes, ma'am. All right, we're gonna get Daddy's first impression.
Zam!
Okay, what do you rate the presentation?
I rate it 10 out of 10.
Yeah? Okay, now you gotta drink it. Oh wait, I didn't even really mix it. But yeah, just drink it from the top first.
I felt this is triple matcha. So I'm gonna
hurry. Okay, try the cold foam. How's the cold foam? Is it good?
Yeah, good. You put brown sugar in it?
Uh-huh. Okay, let me get you a straw so you can kind of mix the drink too. Let's mix it up and let's see. The actual matcha itself. So, I mean like the drink itself. Hopefully it's good. Is it good?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I like it. I like it a lot. You want some?
I'm already drinking coffee. Thank you. What would you rate it as an overall?
Good.
Overall. Be honest. I want like an honest raw opinion.
I'll give you an honest raw opinion.
Uh-huh.
I love your matchas. But this right here, oh, that's fast.
Okay, baby.
I give it a 20 out of 10.
Really?
It's good.
Ooh,
I like it. I wish this
top part.
top part was like on a dessert or like a cake or something.
Oh, like on a fluffy pancake.
Oh, yeah.
On that jiggly Japanese pancake.
On the ube freaking mochi pancake.
Oh, okay. 20 out of 10. You heard that right. The girls are watching our old vlog, but right now I'm making lunch for the kids because Rax is putting up the Christmas light for our house. So he's gonna finish that today. I'm gonna make the kids some Indomie. If you haven't tried these, you're missing out. This is like the OG. I grew up eating Indomie. Love, love, love these. But I always have to like spice it up a little bit. I put like the little chicken bouillon and a little bit of fried shallots for the kids. For myself, I would do the same thing, except that I wouldn't put sweet soy sauce. This is ketchup mayonnaise. But as I was saying, for me and Rex, usually instead of the ketchup mayonnaise, which is the sweet soy sauce, I would put oyster sauce in here, and whoo, so good, you guys. You guys know I don't be cooking like that. I get down in the kitchen when I bake, but cooking, I don't really be cooking. I do make some pretty good laksa though, which is like an Indonesian like curry noodle soup, which I feel like I want to like make on camera for you guys soon and eat on camera for you guys soon. I'm also going to be adding the seasoning packets that came with it. For Zena, obviously we're going to skip the chili, but Cadence does like the chili. So make sure you guys add everything. So I added the extra stuff for extra flavor, obviously, because I feel like it doesn't have enough flavor. Personally, for me, I like my food extra flavorful. But yeah, just don't go overboard because it can get salty real quick. So Cadence wants to be a little bit adventurous today. I'm gonna add a little bit Kewpie mayo into her noodles. Mix KK's up because this one has the mayo in it. Loki wanna try it too. Oh my god, it's so good with the mayo, KK. Oh, and for Zena, we have to cut a little bit. Is it bomb?
For my dad, because that's what he likes to drink. And then,
is it good? Cadence is recording for TikTok. And Daddy is doing the lights. We just got more pillows in for the guests. We got new pillows, and then look at all of these packages, you guys. I gotta take care of everything. Okay guys, so I'm about to eat lunch. This is my first meal of the day, and this is the beef stew noodles. Rax's auntie, well, our auntie made it for us. A shout out to Chanley. Thank you, Chanley. Babe, what is it called again? Kako? Yeah. Kako? That's how you say it, right? Kako. Don't judge me, you guys, but I have to go through all of these clothes. Whatever, babe. This is you too. But I have to go through all of these clothes and see which ones we're going to get rid of and which ones we'll be keeping. Look at all the laundry that I have to do. So KK was supposed to be my little helper, but she fell asleep. So now I'm doing it by myself. But okay, I'm going to get this done. Get these put away. And my babies are crying. See you guys in a bit. And we are all done. We got rid of all of the clothes that were here. I took a shower or two earlier. I also showered the babies. But Rax is cooking downstairs, so let me bring you guys downstairs. I also want to bring Raiden downstairs. Zena and Eliana actually fell asleep. And Cadence is just chilling in her room. Sexy chef. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Papa, come here. Walk. Yay! Can you walk to mommy? Wow, come on, no. Let's go. Wow, good job, Papa. Daddy made spaghetti. His spaghetti is so bomb, you guys.
Let me see.
Oh my god.
But with the garlic
I
bread,
love
right?
spaghetti. Yeah. Give your first impression. Don't say 10 out of 10 if it's not a 10 out of 10. Don't lie. Tell them the truth. With double F. The truth. If it's not a 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10.
It is?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Dang. Did you use Maggi, Daddy? Huh? Did you use Maggi? Huh? That's good with Maggi.
How do you know?
Because I can smell it. It's different than soy sauce.
Meatball.
And I can also taste it when you give me the sample. Alright guys, so I made Raiden his oatmeal. He does not have teeth yet, but he's walking now. So Papa can only eat the oatmeal. He's been choking on food, so Miss Eliana is finally awake, so I'm gonna feed her some chopped up spaghetti. Hi, Mama.
Ellie.
A good. Okay, can you get me a napkin, please, Mama? So Ellie has 6 teeth, so she's able to chew better than Ray Ray. She's like spacing out. And yummy. You want water? They're good. They've been walking around, you guys. So cute. I can't believe we have 2 walking babies. Eliana, come here. Come here, baby. Walk, walk, walk. Bro, Zena is so cranky. She just woke up. She's hungry, but she doesn't want to come downstairs. Oh. Come on. Yeah. Yes. Good job, Papa. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Yes, come here. Uh-oh. Yes, yes, good girl. Wow, good girl. Let's go. Yay! Good job, guys. Yay! Great job, my love. Hi.
No.
Feeling better now?
Yeah. I'm being.
Yeah, I know. Good job, Daddy. What you eating here?
I'm spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Is it good? Did Daddy do good? Did Daddy cook good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me thumbs up.
I'm not having anymore.
Okay.
I'm not.
All right. Come on, Zena. Say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye bye.
Say we'll see you next
See
time.
you next time.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Say bye.
Bye bye.